This is the Iron Trader. It is Thursday. Today we're going to take a look at FedEx and UPS. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have FedEx, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, look at the beautiful run up all the way from 142.92 all the way to yesterday to the topping tail at 235.67. Now, look at all these nice moving averages. See how that price was just right above. Now, it did sell down, but what it did is it bounced back up, closed above that 200 SMA, gapped up, and then you broke out this key breakout area here at 226.05. Now, yesterday it put in a topping tail here, so we have to just be a little bit patient with this to see if it's going to go higher. But if it does, then what we want to do is we want to look here to the next level. So we want to look at these candles here. You're looking at 240.90, and then we want to do is we want to look to this candle here, which would be 248.15, and then so on. Okay, on all these levels. Okay, so then the next one would be 256.49, and then we have the candle up here at 266.79. But this candle here is pretty ugly. So let's just see if it'll hold these support areas. Now, what we want to do is we want to look back here. We want to look at this 8 SMA. That's going to be very key. Then what we want to do is we want to look at the bottom of this candle here, which is 214.67, and then this gap fill here at 205.10 if it does sell off. Now, there's a lot of good support here with the 21, the 50, the 200-day, and then your retest here at 190.83. Now, your weekly is pretty much the same thing. See how it's following that 8 SMA all the way on up. That's always good. But if it's lost, then we want to always look to those as your support levels. But let's just watch this candle here, and let's just see what it does today. Now, they did increase their dividend by 10%, which is good, but it's still not as good as like what UPS is doing. So just watch this top of this candle here, the breakout, and then watch this key 8 SMA here at 225.26. All right, here we have UPS, your daily and your weekly. Now, if we go here on your weekly chart, we want to look at that number right there, the channel at 194.12. Okay, if you look here, right here, went up to it, can't get through it. But if it can get through the 194.12, then we have to look to this next level, which would be this candle right here. Okay, so then we're looking here at 296, and then we could go to the next candle here at 209.39, and then so on, all the way to the retest up here at 233.72. But let's not get excited about that. First of all, it has to close. That's the key. It has to close above 194.12. Now, this is the same kind of a pattern as was on FedEx. If you look at all these, the prices above all these SMAs. Now, yesterday it came below this 8 SMA, which is very key at 190.67. So what we want to do next then is look at your 21-day, which is sitting at 187.03, and then your 50 at 185.26. This is not as good looking as the FedEx chart, but they do pay a lot better dividend. I think it's almost like 4% here now. So, but just watch on the upside. Watch that key breakout level at 194.12, and then watch these key SMAs here for support if it does sell down. Thanks for watching.